This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment this good to you. Best day of our lives, yeah. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins.
Meron din tayong kasama ngayon na isang company, ang Bankyat. Palakpakan natin sila. Maraming salamat po, Bankyat, for representing the private sector today.
Something I gotta tell you, so get ready for another breakthrough. So let me show you what I mean. Cause what I got is done.
Pakasama-sama, pwede nating sabihin, U for Oceans. Okay lang ba yun? Ready na ba kayo? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Isn't that? Maraming salamat.
You ain't seen nothing yet. It's true what you heard. It's better than ever. Cause you ain't ever seen what you about to see. Better than ever. Better than
Because of this coastal cleanup movement give us many benefits, especially positive impact for students. We can know everything that how dangerous plastic is, and because of this tumbler, we promise that we will not use plastic anymore.
if you wanna walk upon this golden sun. This is the real thing. Can't stop a good thing.
I love
Just
Bankyat.
you know, it's better than